Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning lesson.
Hi, everyone. We are happy to see you again.
Today's topic is very important for your English journey.
Yes, very important. The topic is Don't Stop Learning English.
Don't stop learning English.
Please listen and repeat slowly.
Don't stop learning English.
Good job. Very clear.
Before we start, please like this video.
And subscribe to our channel for more simple English practice.
Let's begin. Alice, many learners start learning English, but they stop after a short time. Why do you think that happens?
I think there are many reasons. Some people feel English is difficult. Some people feel tired. And some people don't see fast progress.
Yes, I agree. They want fast results, but English takes time.
Exactly. English is not fast. It is a slow process.
Slow learning is still good, right?
Yes, slow learning is still progress. Slow is okay.
I remember when I started learning English, I made many mistakes.
Me too. I used to say very simple sentences like, I know, understand.
That is very common for beginners.
Yes, but now I say, I don't understand, but I will try. That is better.
Much better. That shows improvement.
Yes, small improvement every day is enough.
Everyone listening, remember this. Small improvement every day. Many learners stop because they think, I am not good at English.
But that is not true. You are learning. That is the important thing.
You are still improving. You are not finished.
Yes, English learning is a journey, not a race.
A journey takes time.
Exactly. It can take months or years, but that is normal.
And mistakes are part of learning.
Yes, mistakes help you improve. Without mistakes, you cannot learn.
Sometimes mistakes are even funny.
Yes, I remember a student said, I am very hungry, teacher.
Maybe they meant, I am a hungry student.
Yes, but it is okay. We learn from these moments.
So the main message is simple. Don't stop when it is difficult.
Don't stop when you make mistakes. Keep going.
Repeat slowly. Don't stop learning English.
Don't stop learning English.
Good. Alice, what should learners do every day to improve English?
They should practice a little every day. Even 10 minutes is enough.
Only 10 minutes?
Yes, but the important thing is to do it every day.
Everyday practice is powerful.
Yes, listen, repeat, and speak aloud. Speaking is very important.
Speaking is often difficult for beginners.
Yes, but you can start slowly. No pressure. Just speak.
Some learners feel shy when speaking English.
Yes, but you can practice alone first. In your room, in your kitchen, anywhere.
Even alone, speaking practice is useful.
Very useful. When you practice alone, you gain confidence.
So no fear.
Yes, no fear.
Alice, what is the most important habit for English learning?
The most important habit is consistency.
Consistency means what exactly?
It means you continue every day. You don't stop. Even if you are busy, you still practice a little.
So consistency means keep going.
Yes, keep going every day.
Keep going every day.
Perfect.
Sometimes learners get bored. What should they do then?
They should change their learning style. They can watch English videos, listen to songs, or watch movies.
So learning is not only books.
Exactly. Learning English can be fun and interesting.
If it is fun, people continue.
Yes, if you enjoy it, you don't stop.
Let's do a short practice for everyone listening.
Good idea. Repeat after us. I am learning English.
I am learning English.
I will keep going.
I will keep going.
I will practice every day.
I will practice every day.
Very good.
English learning is like a plant.
Yes, it needs water every day.
Practice is like water,
Exactly. Without practice, it cannot grow.
but with daily practice, it grows slowly.
And it becomes strong over time.
Let's remind everyone again.
Yes, important message.
Don't stop learning English,
Even when it is hard.
even when you feel tired. You can rest, but don't quit.
Yes, resting is okay. Quitting is not.
Continue tomorrow.
Yes, continue tomorrow.
I feel happy because you are learning with us.
Yes, we are learning together.
You are not alone in this journey.
We are here with you.
Now it's your turn.
Yes, we have a question for you.
What is your favorite way to learn English?
Is it listening, speaking, reading, or watching videos?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We will read your comments.
Thank you for watching this lesson.
Keep practicing every day.
Don't stop learning English.
Don't stop learning English.
See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.